Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12. State toppers for NEET and JEE Main 2024, both produced by Cell Academy. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12 and repeaters medical batch for NEET 2025. We have study centers at Margao, Vasco and Prudent.
Economic Offences Cell has registered the FIR against 11 accused for cheating to the tune of 11 crore 28 lakhs 93,213 rupees from the depositors and society, namely Ashtagandha Urban Credit Cooperative Society, which is Pirna Bardej based. The FIR is registered on the basis of a complaint lodged by chairman of the Committee of Administrators of Ashtagandha Urban Credit Cooperative Societies. These 11 accused are former members of ex-board of directors and former CEOs of this cooperative society. It has been alleged in the complaint that depositors and society are cheated by advancing the fake and fictitious loans by way of fictitious documents, carried out business operations by non-member of the society beyond the business area. EOC is further investigating the case. Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.